So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Maga coin, its price prediction 2025. Okay, because right now this meme coin is looking very bullish here. Okay, current price is $3, but friends, you can see its performance last 1 year. It's amazing. Okay, last 1 year prices pumped by 14,000% here. This is amazing. In last 30 days, prices pumped by 5%. Last 14 days, prices pumped by 78% here. Okay, since last 30 days Bitcoin is going downward. Okay, entire crypto market is red, but its price is continuously pumping here. So this is very bullish thing about meme coin. And if Donald Trump can win the US election on 4th November, then definitely we can see Maga coin price to skyrocket here. And it's right now price is just $3, but this meme coin has potential to reach $50 or maybe more if Maga can win election here. Okay, and friends, you can see $142 million market cap. So market cap is already good. $5.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is also good. 45 million coin supply, all in circulation. This is another bullish thing about meme coin. There no more token left to come in circulation because this meme coin is facing is first bullion, and I think highest market cap. Polify meme coin. Okay, and you can see here this is a Polify meme coin on Ethereum chain. We are 82% down. This all-time high there was $17 here, and all-time low was $0.01, from where we are almost 27,000% up. That was on 14th October. Okay, so soon this project is about 1 year old. MEXC is listed, Bioeconomy, Gadget.io is listed, but friends, still KuCoin has not listed, and many other major centralized has no listed this meme coin. But friends, possible in November, if Donald Trump can win the election, then this meme coin can skyrocket here. We can see its price up to $50. At that time, definitely KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, these centralized exchanges will also list this meme coin. Okay, but I will not recommend you to buy this meme coin at current price. If Donald Trump can lose this election, okay, and Kamala Harris can win election, then this meme coin can be maybe $0.01 or can massive dump here. Okay, it's really possible that we can see this massive dump if Trump can lose election. Okay, so this meme coin is totally now depend on US elections. Okay, so we have to wait for 1 month. So if you wanna purchase this meme coin, I will definitely recommend you to invest less amount here. Okay, do not invest the high amount here because this is highly risky coin. If is this because this first token totally depends upon elections. If Trump can win election, then definitely this meme coin can goes up to $50 or maybe more. And if Trump can lose this election, then this meme coin can reach maybe new all-time low. Okay, so that's my price prediction and also my exchange listing. What do you think about this meme coin? Is this meme coin can reach really $50? And who will win the coming US election? You can must comment down below.